Oh my God. Kayleigh's slipping. We have found the most beautiful slice of paradise.
Good morning guys, we have just woken up and arrived at Big Crystal Creek. We stayed about 2 kilometers at the campsite just down the road, and it was so packed. We paid for the night, and it's just one of those areas where you can just camp anywhere, and they allowed like a capacity of 80 people there, and it was just so overpacked, wasn't it? How bad was it?
Yeah, there's even right now we're in a car park up the road, and there's people that camped here because we got there about 5:30 last night, and
yeah, pretty late.
There was so many people there that there was nowhere to park. We pretty much camped up on a road, and yeah, so if you're gonna go there, make sure it's not in school holidays, or you get there early so you can actually choose a spot, because yeah, it's ridiculous. I don't know why they allow to have that many people in the one area when it's not allocated or anything, so make sure you get there early. Oh my God. Kayleigh's slipping. We have found the most beautiful slice of paradise. The main rock slides were absolutely packed, so if you like doing adventuring, we're not going to tell you where it is, so you got to go find it, but it is so worth it. Wow, it's spectacular. And no one's here. Oh, it's so nice. Push yourself off. So it wasn't that hard.
Flying know we're not the same. I'm so tired of playing games. You don't have to be so hard.
We have just left Big Crystal Creek and we are on our way to the next spot, which is the next campground. We are going more inland and up into the mountains. I may have seen in the video that I was a little bit nervous. I don't really like climbing rocks and I don't really like jumping into water. I'm not the most super adventurous person, and that's something that I'm really trying to overcome over these travels, because I want to be more adventurous and I want to enjoy those things. But I just need to say that if you're scared of something, just do it, because the one thing, we almost walked away without going again into the slides, because I did it the first time and then sort of freaked out and I was quite nervous the whole time. But just do it, because we may never go back there, and that's the one thing that I was about to walk away and thought, hang on, I came here to go down these slides, and that's something that I wanted to leave, and ended up going down like so many times. Didn't we? How many times did we go down?
Oh, we went down like 10. We had so much fun. It's like once you get over that initial fear of what everything you're worried about, it all goes out the window. So if you're ever worried about anything like that, just go and do it, because I guarantee you when you leave, you'll have the biggest smile on your face. You'll be going, I'm so glad I did that, and it's always worth it. So make sure you go out of your comfort zone a little bit, and you always do the things that you're not necessarily too keen on. You'll love it. This place is beautiful. Not bad for $10. Right here, just like that, we're all set up. We've come to a spot called Mount Fox Campground, and yeah, it's a place just owned by the council. It's a $10 honesty box, so you can pay online if you need. Yeah, heaps of amenities, heaps of room. You got bloody hot water showers, but they're a bit old school. You got to light a fire underneath and wait for it to heat up, which is cool. First time we've seen that. And you got flushable dunnies, and yeah, we got sinks and clothes washers and dryers, and the clothes washers and dryers they're free, so which is also the first time we've seen that at a campground. And yeah, you can hang all your clothes up and yeah, do everything you need to do. So it's a pretty good spot. I'd recommend coming here if you're in the area. It's really nice and relaxing. Lots of room too. Alrighty, all showered up. Had some nice hot water showers, which was good. Someone was kind enough to have the fire already started for us, which was good. It's dinner time in the Ryan and Kayleigh household. So what's for dinner tonight?
Doing coconut rice and having chicken satay, and then we're also going to serve it up with just some cucumber. Should be good. It was meant to be chicken skewers, but I forgot the skewers.
Yeah. Well, you know, that's just extra shit you need to buy. So you know, save and store. So chicken skewers without the skewers. Let's make them. Alrighty, just like that. Dinner's all done. Ready to chow down. Bloody looks beautiful. Thanks, babe. We're watching the new Avengers Secret Invasion on the laptop under this little shed here, and we've also got some donuts with some air fryers for dessert, so that's going to be bloody beautiful. Life's good, and we'll see you tomorrow morning.
morning, guys. We have left our campground at Mount Fox and we have come over to Mount Fox crater, which used to be a volcano and it erupted. How long ago did it erupt?
100,000 years ago.
Yeah.
And it rained down volcanic lava everywhere.
And we've found some rocks that is supposedly...
And I made these rocks.
Yeah. So we haven't bothered climbing to the top, but you can, but we have still got some good shots for you, so...
We've got too many things to do today.
Yeah.
So we're not climbing to it, but you can. It's about a 30-minute walk up top, so... But
yep.
We've got too many things to do, so we're on to the next spot.
We're on to the next spot, so let's go. Today hasn't exactly gone to plan. We went to go straight through the middle of Mount Fox to Wallaman Falls, and we drove about halfway until it went to go take us down a road that didn't actually exist. So we had to go all the way back. It said we were going to get there at 1:30 and instead we have gotten here at 3:15, and it is a 2-kilometre walk, but it's one that we don't really want to miss, so we're probably going to end up with a really late day and things just haven't really gone to plan, but that's always going to happen when you're traveling. But thanks Google Maps, thanks for kind of ruining our day a bit, but we are really excited to see this one because it is the biggest waterfall, single drop waterfall in Australia, so you're going to want to check this one out.
Well, I think this takes the cake. I think this is the most beautiful spot we've been so far. If you've come to Wallaman Falls, please, please, please do the 4-kilometre hike down. It's breathtaking. It's absolutely spectacular. Like, the gust of wind coming off that waterfall is so refreshing. It's just, I've never experienced anything like this before in my life, and wow. Just, that's all I have to say is wow. It's absolutely stunning. Amazing. Alright, that was such a good hike. Was it?
It was painful. It's very hard going down on your knees, and then it's going to be all the way down.
It's
basically
2 kilometres down and then 2 kilometres up, so, and it's really steep, so
yeah.
Now for the worst part of the hike, we're going to go back to the car, so yeah. It's worth the walk, so please do the walk, you'll love it. It's spectacular.
Just don't get here so late like we did.
Yeah, we got here at like
4:30.
It's already 4:30, so by the time we get back it's going to be bloody dark, so right, better get a wriggle on, let's go. Oh god, it's so difficult climbing up. Whew. God, this is definitely the worst part. We're only about 200 meters and we're already knackered. Oh god.
Saying I'm not in my fit era, I'm dying.
You dying?
Not fit.
Not fit.
No matter how many stairs I do at the gym, I still struggle with things like this.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, Ryan. Guys, we found a little echidna.
Little dude. All right, we made it. Oh, God, that was difficult. We're gonna be sore tomorrow, but bloody hell, it was worth it. It was just very hard getting up, but as you probably saw.
Yeah, we were so sweaty from that we've actually just had a cold shower out in the car park.
In the car park, pretty
we're in
much.
our trackies.
Yeah, we just had a cold shower, washed ourselves because we were so sweaty. We're not getting into our bed when we're dirty, so had a nice shower, cleaned ourselves up. It's bloody cold, but feel really good now. I feel very accomplished after that big hike. So yeah.
Yeah, it's not the biggest one, but we're not really big hikers. So
No, we're not. Yeah. So yeah.
It was a challenge for us.
It was definitely a challenge. But yeah, if you're coming here, just do the hike. You'll love it.
Yeah. Well, anyway, we're going to leave you guys there for this one, and we're going to see you in the next episode.
Yep, right, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers, guys.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
See you next time. Bye.
At Big Crystal Creek.
1, 2, 3. Do I sound okay? You ready?